Nothing like the smell of mango in the morning. And I want to say a couple words about the sourcing, where we get these logs from. And generally, we've been here about 10 years, so there's a web of relationships with arborists, construction companies. And so all the trees that we get are either construction projects or storms. This is a mango, came from Palolo Valley, and someone had planted it too close to the house and it was starting to disrupt the foundation. So the contractor was taking it out. And the unethical way of getting logs is if you go into the woods, cut down a koa tree, throw it in the back of your truck. Strictly unethical. And even buying from anyone who does that would be considered unethical as well. Because it does happen that random people will show up with some koa in the back of their truck that's, you could tell, like super sketchy. So we don't want to go anywhere near it. Unethical too, at least in a place like Hawaii, is actually just cutting down the tree just for the wood. I mean, for one thing, there's really no need. On this island, there's so much construction. There's an overabundance of woods. And so doing that would just strike me as being wrong. So we're very blessed that we live in a place where there's abundant trees, and ethical sourcing is just the name of the game.